I'm going to make a banana cake. This is a 1.5 banana there. I just smashed it. Mostly I grind, but I'm lazy today. So these are 3 eggs, which I already cut it. I'm going to pour in there. So the cake I'm going to use, which is a ready-made cake right here. So they call classic yellow. No synthetic colors. So this will go in there all full. So now I'm going to add some oil right here. Let it get mixed a little bit. This is the pan I'm going to use. I already add oil in there. So any oil can be used, or butter, whatever. Once it's mixed, I put it at 350 fire. So I put 1 hour, but it will be done before 1 hour actually. So I will mix it there. I'm going to add it in there and put it in the oven. So that should be ready before 1 hour. So I'm going to